Primer?
Nah, just some out. I was going to do the prime, but just good aluminium paint.
Okay. It's ready?
Okay, well we've had to take off the spindles because one was a bit loose and flogging down there. A while back I bought these doubler plates that are aftermarket things, sold and used by a lot of people, and it just reinforces the deck. These decks are pretty thin domestic decks, and for the mounting of the spindles you have this double plate goes on top here, and because they're extra thick, is about 4mm, we've got extra long bolts supplied with them to go through to anchor the spindles. That just makes the deck the deck mounting there a bit stronger. And I'd put off putting them in. I had them about 6 months ago, but we've had need to take them off now, so might as well replace them. But not replace, actually install them.
Okay, we're installing that one.
Okay, so the paint should be dry there.
Yeah, it was repainted, just this bit, grind and repainted.
Right now,
Okay.
we want to remember where these things go. You want to consider lubricating those. I've done them while it's out, but when you lubricate in situ, you don't have the bloody grease nipple pointing in the wrong direction, you know. Okay. Doesn't really matter where it goes to operate, but it means you can't lubricate them readily. All right. Grab that. Okay. And we'll put that around about there.
What?
Need a washer.
Washer.
Just started, so it really needed to grease the threads. Some thread lube.
We have a spring washer here. Sorry?
Put some thread lube on. I just put a couple in there to locate it for now.
That's a thread lube, but it's unnecessary really to put that one.
Yeah.
Need to lift this one.
Huh.
Oops.
We, oh, that's just, it might have been better over there.
Where you wanna paste it? Okay. Facing that way.
I just thought it
Might help a little bit.
well, I had it pointing over to the high part of the deck here.
Hmm.
So you've got to take the covers off to actually to lubricate them. And
They are
looks like they're 12 mil.
12 mil bolts. Head. Okay. So that's a 14 socket, 14 mil.
Yeah, well the other ones were 10, which I thought was a bit on the small side. But
So this one, you can lay it this way or that way, anyway.
yeah.
And then they are interchangeable from left to right. Okay, so this pulley is not picky. And that's the number there. What's the number? There's a number up there. This one doesn't have a number. Of course there is. Maybe generic. So as you can see, the brakes is working on this pulley this side and not this side. See, it's rusted here, but here it's shiny. Shiny.
Maybe.
So the same with the other one, I think. I think this one is pretty good. They are both working.
It's not a 14, probably a 30.
It's a 13, they reckon. So now it's 13.
It's 13, yeah.
Yeah, but before you put it 14 and it still fit.
Yeah, well, it's kind of worked,
But
but we're like,
it's, yeah, 13, 14. It takes anything. Might as well put the right one so you won't damage the bolt head. That one just to tighten it firm. Don't over tight it or you might skid the bolt. Gonna be a lost thread and it's not good. Okay, oops. That's it. We're gonna put the pulley down.
but yeah, I hit it with a hammer.
That's a 22 socket.
22 or 7/8.
22 or 7/8 imperial. Okay, it's good now. Let's do the other side. The one with the problem before, it's rocking, so we'll see if it's Still rocking or not? Okay.
This takes a half an hour to bloody organise. Where's the screw? Oh,
Where do you want to point it?
I want to put the grease nipple out this way.
Okay.
Out here.
Oh, my
Oh,
hand.
sorry.
Okay.
You're supposed to pull that out. Okay. Right.
Alright. So we'll see the final, what you call it? Final touch. Before, this one is flogging around.
Yes.
So now it looks like it's firm.
Right, that loose.
Oh my god! It's very heavy.
Yeah, the brakes. Not very good on. But
It's look like we fixed it by putting the plate on. So
no.
no?
Look,
Well, I think
the
it's
studs
fixed.
were loose.
The studs?
Those we've replaced them. The old one, they were loose, and the whole thing was flogging around. They were loose.
Ah, this ones.
Yeah, those four were loose.
Ah,
That's why I
okay.
said where the holes fell down because they were flogging around.
So it means just the bolt is loose. There's nothing to do with the plate installing in there. It's just you need to tighten the bolt. If you don't have this plate, just tighten the bolt properly. Put some washer, spring washer, and so on like that. So this pulley will stay firm. So that's rock solid now. Hope it won't give us a trouble. Yeah, hope this is the problem and the solution. so we don't have a twisted belt in front, only the front one. When it come into the front area, this part is twisting. So now let's put all the thing back together. The plastic cover is mandatory. Put the belt, feed the belt to those pulleys and put back all those plastic so your belt won't flog everywhere. You know, that's this is like a belt guide. Belt guide.
Where's
So this belt was replaced 3 days ago, 4 days ago.
Brand new.
This is brand new, and the other belt is still usable.
yeah?
A little bit worn out, but still usable. So we just replace the belt because it keeps turning upside down, something like that. I thought
Well, there,
it's about the belt.
see how it's twisted and running on its side.
Yeah. So the problem is it's not the belt, because the belt is the proper size
Well,
for
I'm still
this
concerned
thing.
about it.
I'm not sure. Well, if it's not the proper size, it won't fit there.
Well, let's put it this way. It's the proper size. A lot of them sell it as the one, but the
But
measurement of the proper one is about 3/4 of an inch longer.
3/4 and an inch longer. So I don't really work with numbers. I just work things as long it will fit and it will move and it will work. That's all I need. So for the reference, this is A101. Is this the one? A101. It's blurry. Anyway, it was mentioned before, so that's the old belt in there.
Oh, look,
Let me check the number. So this is A101 belt,
yeah.
Y times 2 D130
And look, see
mower,
what it says
John
on
Deere.
there?
Yeah, I just filmed that one.
101.
Yep. So this is the old belt. Look at it. A little bit shredded inside, but still usable. Don't
Where's
curse.
the wrap?
So might as well tighten everything, all the
Oh,
pulley.
I'm
You will take it out?
going to put the old belt back on.
Oh, okay, we're gonna put the old belt
Well-
back on.
It's the old thing. You change too many things at once. It's like doctors changing 10 pills at one time. You don't know which one works.
Everything works as you're still alive.
Oh. Swollen ankles and bloody high blood sugar, everything shifted, but what did it? Alright.
So let's remove this belt.
You gotta
Wait then.
lift it up. Look.
Okay. Feed it there, like that, and then like that. And then inside. And then here. Put it there, and there, and there, like that.
Yep.
Looks easy. So that's how you're gonna put your belt on. Without taking this tool, you cannot replace your belt.
Yeah, well, you can't get out of the guide here, see?
Yeah, okay.
And if,
So that's what I'm getting at. Because some viewers and learners like me, dumb, you know, they're trying to put belt without taking anything on, off. Whatever. So now the trick is, the next step is the blade or the guide, plastic guide.
plastic, I reckon. What do you
Okay. I
Um,
reckon
reckon?
everything.
Oh, shit.
Ay, naku. So, let's put it in. See this guide here.
done it over time.
Okay,
That's it. Yeah.
that will do. Now let's do the other side. The edge cutting system. We're gonna do this. Oh, where's the other bolt? You lost it.
Well, it's probably fallen off in the tray, but they're all there. I think they're under that bottom of the tree
Found it.
there. Oh, no, I'll tell you.
What you discover there?
It's all right.
Don't over tight. Okay, that's it.
Right.
Right now,
Let's
you need
put some tools away out the way and we'll tip it up.
we'll tip it up upside down so we can put the blades on.
As we did before.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep. Ah, I thought you're gonna lay it flat. Wait there. Hold it back. I'm just positioning myself. Okay, this is too much grease.
That green.
It's one down.
You see those washers, see how they're bell shaped, they're domed?
Yeah.
You're going to have the dome up. Just sound like a spin washer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All looks good. Alright. So now let's put it back into the drive, into that mower. So this is just the final assessment. That spindle there, see the grease nipple? So you can reach it without removing anything. So it's right there. There's that. There. Looks good. So same with the other side. There. You can see it. So let's get ready. Put this forward. So when we put it on the deck, it'll be easy. Okay? Nothing sticking around. Just put it here.
See how you
Huh?
close here, there we've got much.
Up. Okay, so now let's put back the thing together. Ah,
And make sure the belt's all pulled out to the front, right?
yep, it's all out.
Wrapped up there.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the thing down. This one, right down. As you can see there. Okay, now let's put this one thing in. We painted it so we won't forget how this thing. Did you see that? I filmed this way, that way, and face it this way and hang it there. I think you need to
Hey, Yala.
pull it your
More?
pull it a little bit more.
Can't be too far. 'Cause
A little bit more. Okay.
it's needs to be slewed around. It's
Back.
oh, it's got to go back to that side.
Lift it up.
Difficult.
Lift it up. Push it.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, that's it.
Right.
Yep. Where's the green?
Where's the what?
The green washer.
Oh, don't worry. It's
Let's put this one here. This. Okay. Now this one.
what do you want? Good.
Yep.
All right, all right.
Okay. Got it. Okay. The other side. Yeah. Lift it a little bit.
Lift.
Yep. Okay. This one?
That's the one that's got the red paint on it. Not that that means anything.
Okay.
Huh?
This one right there. Oh shit.
I'm shaking like shit. It's raining and everything.
Oh my god, what happened there?
I can't sort of see, so
Okay.
I don't know where to go.
Well, I can't too because I'm filming and it's too low. I don't even know if I got it.
You don't know if you got it.
Yeah. There's the hole. Okay. Now the thing there.
Yeah, okay, so put
The
it
belt.
around.
Belt first or what?
The cable, the control cable, the brake cable.
This one?
Yeah, grab it.
Ah, grab it.
Unhook it. It's around the clutch pedal. I put it in so it doesn't fall down. Right
Okay.
now. All right, so you got to.
Gotta
You know it's got to go under all the belts and all that.
under
And
the
they
belt.
reckon- And they reckon it's got to go up into that. I always put it down, but they say put it up into that lever.
Up into the lever.
Yeah,
So
I don't care what you do. I always put it down, but on the thing they made it put saying put it up.
well, we need to put it down because it doesn't look good.
That's what I reckon.
Okay.
Okay. Now you pull back on the thing and you put in the nuts. You pull against
Pull.
the spring. You pull against the spring. Pull it right through with the cable in. Then go back in there. Then go back in there with the plastic. Did the plastic go through?
Yeah.
Right, now you put
Ay,
that clip.
naku.
You put that clip through the hole at the back.
Why is this getting blurred? Ay, naku.
Yeah.
So there's a small hole in here.
Yeah.
We need to put the clip so this one won't come out.
All right. The smart money is.
Okay, we just put some clip in there. And now let's get the top. This one. Make sure your belt is inside. Put this one down here.
Okay, lifting.
Yep. Okay.
Right.
Yep. Now let's put the clip there. Okay, so now let's fit the belt. Okay, so in there. And now, what's next?
Put the belt on.
Yep, it's on.
Let's try it.
It looks so.
It's good.
Why sloppy? What makes this thing sloppy?
What's that, huh?
The belt.
Well, it's got to be sloppy.
Okay.
If it's not sloppy,
Why not answer my question?
On it by belt.
Okay. So you need to have this sloppy so you can
Yeah, that's fine.
fit the belt in. Well, I'm asking.
Now wait, just a minute. Now I'll engage it and
Okay.
you see if it's right. Right.
Right. That's the belt. That's the brake engaged. So now it's firmish.
Firm.
Yep.
You know, when the brakes are engaged when you go this way. See?
So the
When-
brakes
When
engaged.
it's loose, the brakes are on. When
Okay.
it's that way, the brakes are off.
Okay. So now drive it
I'd go and have a test.
and we'll see if this one will turn upside down or not. No, you need to go and test ride because I'm filming.
Alright.
Okay. Get back. That's a little bit weird. Just a little bit. Yeah, it looks alright. So as long as the belt is in place, it's not twisted, so all good to go. Oh, what was that? That's a big rock. Not very big. Small one. It's just the deck, it's too low, that's why it catches everything.
Well, let's find out.
Yeah, all good. I think it fixed the problem. So subscribe for more junk repair in this channel.